Hi, coffee beans! So I've been thinking, I love coffee, you probably love coffee, so why not have a name for our group? We can be the Roasters? Do we roast people? I roast people. I roast people hard. That's not what I mean, though. That's not what I mean. We like coffee, so we're all beans. You guys are my coffee beans. Dark roasted, lightly roasted, it's up to you. Sometimes I'm dark. Okay, enough. Anyway, I am back with another video for you guys today. It is a little simple clay kit that my husband bought for me, so I'm really excited to try it. Also, before I begin, I'm bummed because the camera's cutting it off, but look at this super cute shirt! It's Pusheen and the Care Bears. Well, I mean, it's just the... Oh, no, yeah, Pusheen, he's Funshine Bear. But, I mean, I just had to show you. I love this shirt so much. Okay, anyway. So the kit we're going to be working on today is called Fashion Angel's 100% Extra Small Mini Clay Kit. I'll show you guys a better picture in a little bit. But it also says that they have easy peasy instructions on YouTube. So I guess we'll make it and then we'll check their YouTube and see how I did. I mean, I'm not horrible with clay, but maybe this kind of clay. It makes one burger, French fries, and then there's like you don't make the little soda bottle. The soda bottle is like a plastic bottle that comes in it. So this shows you everything that's in it. And again, I'll show you guys these pictures in a little bit closer up. We'll go ahead and turn around to my workstation and we'll go ahead and open this up. All right, everybody, we are here with the Fashion Angel's 100% small, extra small mini clay kit. I don't know why it's 100% extra small. That's kind of random. But we're gonna be doing burger and fries, the cheeseburger, French fries menu, little tray, napkin stuff. So let's get to it. Right away I can tell I'm not totally sure about this kit because I've worked with this kind of clay before with a Robotime kit. Actually it was with this kit. And I had to make these little pastries out of this kind of clay, and it was just like really weird and spongy. I had never used it before, so right away I'm a little nervous. We got the stuff to cut out. Oh yeah, I need scissors. And then this is the instructions. Wait a minute. I need glue too. I don't think it told me I needed glue wires. Don't eat it! Don't eat it. That's funny. Okay, well, I'm just gonna start going. I'm gonna follow the directions as closely as I can. Interesting. Okay. Oh god, this clay is so weird. Oh wait, this is a lot better than the Robotime. I mean, it's the same kind, but this is actually, like, workable. The Robotime one wasn't. It was weird. The bun, meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato. We're done. We're done with our burger. Oh my gosh, look at our little cheeseburger. Cool. And it fits in our thing. And now we just need to make the French fries. All done! Look at how stinking cute these are. Oh my goodness. And as you can see behind me is my war zone. Not really, usually my crafts get pretty bad. But that was a ton of fun to do. It only took me about a half an hour. Let me see, the box is 8 and up. I actually think younger kids could do this. This wasn't difficult at all. The hardest part was opening up that stupid beige color. Oh my god, I couldn't get it out. Gluing stuff was really easy. Maybe cutting stuff is more difficult because there was the little pieces. But otherwise, this was a ton of fun, and it'll go great with my collection. And if you guys are interested in doing the kit, I'll put a link below to an Amazon, the Amazon link below, so you guys can try and do it. If you make it yourself, please tag me in it on Instagram. You could do hashtag bunnieDolls so I can see, because I would love to see what you make. And if you do tag me in anything on Instagram, I'll add you to my shout out in the next video. Alright you guys, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that little bell, otherwise you won't know when I post. And leave a comment if there's anything that you want me to change or add or do different. This is brand new to me, it's brand new to you, so I'd love to hear. Thanks guys, cheers!